Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving deep into one of the most pivotal episodes of Winx Club Season 2, Episode 7. This is where the story really starts to amp up, so let's get right into it. The episode kicks off with the Winx girls returning to Alfea after a successful mission. They're feeling great, ready for a break, but Headmistress Ferraganda immediately bursts their bubble. She gathers them to deliver some pretty heavy news. A new threat, far more powerful than the tricks, is on the horizon. This isn't just another monster of the week situation. Ferraganda's tone makes it clear that the stakes have been raised significantly. Right after this ominous warning, a bizarre magical storm suddenly met. It's not just a bit of bad weather. This storm is pure chaos, unleashing havoc across Alfea and the neighboring realms. It feels unnatural, charged with a dark energy that none of them have ever encountered before. The timing is super suspicious, right? Ferraganda warns of a new enemy, and boom, a mysterious magical storm appears. It's a classic setup that immediately puts everyone on edge, both in the show and for us watching. We know something big is coming. While this external threat is brewing, Bloom is dealing with her own internal turmoil. She starts having these vivid, recurring dreams about her biological parents, Oratel and Marion, and her lost home world, Domino. These aren't just sweet memories. They're fragmented, intense, and feel more like suppressed recollections trying to break free. It's clear that there's a deep-seated mystery surrounding her past that she's only just beginning to scratch the surface of. She feels like there are huge pieces of her life story being deliberately hidden from her. And this sense of unease starts to grow, making her question everything she's been told. And just when Bloom is at her most vulnerable, a new professor arrives at Alfea. Meet Professor Avalon. He's not your typical stuffy teacher. He's incredibly intelligent, ridiculously charismatic, and has this calm, reassuring presence. He seems to understand magic on a level that impresses even the Winx. Avalon takes a special interest in Bloom, noticing her distress and her immense untapped potential. He speaks to her about the dragon flame in a way no one else has, offering to help her unlock her full power and uncover the secrets of her past. Bloom, desperate for answers and feeling a bit isolated, quickly begins to trust him. He seems like the perfect mentor, the one person who can finally give her the guidance she's been searching for. But as Avalon gains Bloom's trust, we're introduced to another layer of this unfolding mystery, an ancient prophecy. The prophecy speaks of a rare planetary alignment, a celestial event that happens only once every few centuries. According to the legend, when these planets align perfectly, a destructive, almost unstoppable force will be awakened. The timing of this prophecy being mentioned right as the storm hits and a new enemy is announced feels way too coincidental. Is this new threat connected to the prophecy? And what role does Bloom's past and her connection to the dragon flame play in all of this? The episode leaves us with so many questions. So let's recap the key points from this incredible episode. We have a new unnamed supervillain who's apparently more dangerous than Icy Darcy and Stormy combined. We have a freak magical storm that confirms this new threat is very real and very powerful. Bloom is getting closer to the truth about her parents and Domino through her dreams, creating a compelling personal journey alongside the main plot. The handsome and enigmatic Professor Avalon has entered the scene, positioning himself as Bloom's personal mentor, which feels a little too good to be true, doesn't it? And finally, we have this dark prophecy about a planetary alignment that promises to unleash an ancient evil upon the magic dimension. Episode 7 is a masterclass in setting up a season-long arc. It expertly weaves together external threats with Bloom's personal quest for identity, all while introducing a new character who could be a powerful ally or a cleverly disguised foe. The mystery of the prophecy hangs over everything, creating an incredible sense of anticipation for what's to come. What are your theories about Professor Avalon? Do you think he's truly there to help Bloom, or is there something more sinister at play? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. It's going to be an epic season, and I can't wait to break it all down with you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Winx Club content. See you next time.